Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well, and in today's video I'm just going to do a little unpackaging and review video. So I've picked up a Protek RC pit mat. I do use like a cutting mat on my worktop, but I thought I'd go for something quite a lot larger, and I picked up this RC pit mat. Now I know these are very similar to things like yoga mats and stuff like that, but they are a slightly different material and a little bit thinner as well, and I personally like that. It comes in this netting carry case. Not really going to be using that. Once I've unraveled it, chances are I'm not really going to be rolling it back up anyway, but it's good that it actually comes with one, because quite a lot of them don't. So what we'll actually do, let's move over my cutting mat. Let's get a knife and get this open. So basically, size wise, it's 4mm thick. It's a padded foam type of material with kind of like a rubbery textured finish, and it is 60 centimeters by 120 centimeters, so nice and long. Probably a bit too deep for my worktop, but I can cut this down a little bit. So let's actually open it up and get it out of the packaging and have a nice closer look. Oh yeah, straight away I can tell this is definitely a more rubberized texture than a standard yoga mat. Now these are obviously more expensive than yoga mats as well, but to be honest guys, I didn't want to just get a yoga mat and then not be happy with how it felt and stuff like that. So I wanted to get a proper RC pit mat that I know is going to be suitable for the job and basically do what I needed to do. And it feels quite nice. It's got a nice non-slip texture to it as well, and once that's been set open for a period of time, it's gonna level itself out quite nicely. Now hopefully you'll be able to see there, it's got the Protek RC logo on there. And what I might actually do as well, I might put some of my vinyl decals on here as well, just to give it that bit of a personalized feel to it. But yeah, it feels quite nice. It's 4mm thick, so not too thick but not too thin as well. That's definitely got a nice bit of padding. It's got kind of like a not waterproof but like a water resistant texture. Yeah, so it's a durable plastic coated foam. And if I rub it here with some wet cloths, that does definitely hold up. There's no holes in it, so shock oil and stuff like that is going to be easily wiped away off of this surface, which is going to be awesome, because at Christmas I have got a TRX4 kit to build. I'm so looking forward to that. So I'm going to be building that on this worktop. And there you go, with an Armour Typhon. So yeah, really happy. Highly recommend it. It is quite expensive. I paid £25, so it is much more expensive than a yoga mat. But like I say guys, this is a better material than a yoga mat anyway, because yoga mat's fine for sweat and stuff like that, but it's not going to hold up very well to things like shock oil, where this stuff should. So yeah, that's it guys, just a quick review on this Protek RC pit mat. You can get all different types of pit mat guys. Go on Model Sport, Banggood, Wheel Spin Models, places like that, eBay, Amazon. You can find a nice RC pit mat. I picked this up on eBay, 25 quid delivered. Yeah, really happy. So that's it for me guys. Stay tuned. I've got some cool videos coming up. I'm going to try getting back on it, making some more videos. The vinyl decals are taking up most of my spare time, but I am going to try to start putting some more videos out there. So that's it for me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy RCing and stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.